As a preschool teacher, it's important to have access to high-quality resources that can help you create engaging and effective lesson plans. In this video, we'll share some of the best resources for preschool teachers that can help you enhance your teaching and make a positive impact on your students' learning. Hey there, preschool teachers! As educators, we know that creating engaging and effective lesson plans can be a challenging task. Fortunately, there are many resources available that can help you enhance your teaching and create an engaging learning environment for your students. Here are some of the best resources for preschool teachers. Number 1. The National Association for the Education of Young Children, NAEYC. This organization provides professional development opportunities, resources, and publications for early childhood educators. Number 2. Scholastic. Scholastic offers a variety of resources for preschool teachers, including lesson plans, activities, and teaching strategies. Number 3. Teaching Strategies. Teaching Strategies provides research-based resources and curriculum solutions for early childhood educators, including the popular Creative Curriculum. Number 4. The Early Childhood Technical Assistance Center, ECTA. This center offers resources and support for preschool teachers who work with children with disabilities or special needs. Number 5. Pinterest. Pinterest is a great resource for finding creative and engaging lesson plans and activities for preschoolers. Number 6. Early Childhood Education Zone. This website offers a range of resources for preschool teachers, including lesson plans, activity ideas, and professional development opportunities. Number 7. Pre-K Pages. Pre-K Pages provides resources and support for preschool teachers, including free printables, lesson plans, and teaching tips. Number 8. The Child Development Institute. This institute provides resources and information on child development, including articles and resources for preschool teachers. Number 9. PBS Kids. PBS Kids offers a range of educational resources for preschool teachers, including games, videos, and lesson plans. Number 10. Teachers Pay Teachers. Teachers Pay Teachers is an online marketplace where educators can buy and sell resources, including lesson plans, activities, and worksheets. These are just a few of the many resources available for preschool teachers. By taking advantage of these resources, you can enhance your teaching and make a positive impact on your students' learning. Follow us for more ideas and increase growth of your preschool. Visit our website www.mykidreports.com.